This is Pioneer's MVH-2400NEX. This is an in-dash AM/FM digital media receiver with a 7-inch touchscreen. The MVH-2400NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The MVH-2400NEX is compatible with Android Auto and Google Assistant when connected to a compatible Android phone with a wired connection through USB. The MVH-2400NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. So we'll start off here with the wire harness. And the wire harness is what we use to connect power, ground, speakers, and so forth. All of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver to the vehicle. Next up, we have a handful of installation screws. Some install screws. Next is the Bluetooth microphone. Now we use the Bluetooth microphone for hands-free calling. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Next, we have the wireless remote control. There is a wireless remote control included in the box. And then we have the USB extension. This in-dash receiver has the USB port on the back of the in-dash receiver, and so we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next up, we have the Quick Start Guide and the Owner's Manual. There we go, Quick Start Guide and Owner's Manual. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the Owner's Manual in PDF form right onto your phone. Just take a look at pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card. All right, so let's get the receiver up out of the box. There we go. The front panel of the MVH-2400NEX has a simple layout. The volume control is here, and the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. Please note, the MVH-2400NEX does not play CDs. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 7-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the MVH-2400NEX starts off with 2 black plugs up here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. And the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit will plug in right here. Here is the USB port that can be used for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB thumb drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. And this is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer out, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port here is for adding on the optional AVIC U280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here's the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. And finally, the AM/FM radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's MVH-2400NEX and what's in the box.